Today we're going to be starting our Intro to Reading Music unit, and we are going to start with what is a quarter note. Now, before, when you were walking into class, you heard Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm sure that you know what that song is. We all grew up with it. That is something that we are going to look at through the whole course of today, through all of the rest of this unit. It's just one of those songs that you just know from your childhood. I know you guys are still little. 7's a big number. But, first thing, what is a quarter note? It's a symbol, which we all know what symbols are, something that represents something. So it's a symbol that represents the beat in music. This is a music class. Makes sense, right? So, what does it look like? Now, I handed out a packet of papers that include all of the things that we are going to be talking about today. And I'm sure that you can see this on your pieces of paper. Now, in the music part of this, a quarter note will look like this in this scenario right here. Now, does anybody have any questions about what that would look like in their packet? Okay. So, a quarter note does not always need to be on this line. It can be in this space, or in this space, or in this space, or in this space, or beyond and below these lines. It also can be on the lines. It can be on this line, on this line, on this line, on this line, and on this line. Crazy, right? So, with that said, how do we count a quarter note? So, when you see something that looks like this, same thing as up here. It's written in different colors, you can see it. If you see something that's like that, a quarter note is going to be 4 beats in one rectangle with this big line right here. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys want to clap it with me? I'll count us in. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How was that? I think you guys did pretty good. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. If you see in an orchestra, a choir, or a band, there will be a conductor that has this thing right here. This is called a baton. And this shows you where the beats are. So, you're going to follow this little point right here, and you're going to clap, okay? So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do you want me to show you again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you want to try it? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys did great. All right. So, if you open your packets, you'll see a big list of all of the types of notes. Now, I want you to point to the quarter note on those packets. Okay? and just hold it up and point to it with your finger, okay? Whenever you're ready. Good. Okay, next thing, you can flip the page and you'll see songs in there. So, if you look at Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, I want you to pull out your handy dandy highlighter, okay, any color that you want. And you can highlight all of the quarter notes. You can circle them, you can highlight them, you can color them, whatever you want to do. I only want you to highlight the quarter notes, okay? I'm going to give you guys a little bit of time to do that. Make sure that they're ones that look like this, okay? They're colored in, okay? Fully colored. No open circles, okay? I want you to do that, okay? I'll walk around and look. Okay, you guys are doing pretty good. All right, and then flip your papers over when you're done. All right, okay. So, what I'm going to have you guys do is one of you is going to come up to the front of the classroom and you're going to put it on the projector, okay? Okay. Do I have any volunteers? Okay. You can come up, okay? And you can teach the class where all the quarter notes are. Okay. You guys are doing great.